In this video, I want to show you a very quick overview of our Pinpoint Capture program. Pinpoint Capture software is easy to load and use application for your Windows computer. It is a perfect solution to quickly and easily get your data from the field into reports for easy documentation, or you can use it in real time to view live readouts of your current alignment project. Pinpoint Capture software lets you analyze data and run useful calculations, plot and present measurement data and results, create interactive analysis for alignment, and store data and readings for ongoing analysis. A feature of this software is its ability to record your measurement readings either in a continuous mode, so many readings per second, minute, hour, etc., or in a trigger mode, where you can add notes, select data, etc., for each reading event saved. In this demo, we have a very basic setup with our capture loaded onto our computer, hooked up to a Microgage Pro with a standard laser and receiver sitting on the table. Here we take a look at the capture program as you would view it on the computer. This is a standard view of the capture program. This window mirrors what the Microgage is reading, while also displaying a graphic representation of where the position of the laser beam is within the receiver window. We can also set up Capture to display multiple receivers as seen here. You can also customize and organize each display channel to display readings in real time. For example, this screen lets you select the receiver, choose background color for quick identification, and set high and low reading limits. If needed, Capture also provides the flexibility to change units, averaging, and precision to meet your needs for each application. For now, we will leave this at the default settings. Today we're looking at a simple example of measuring the straightness of a table surface and a guide rail. And right here we have a laser transmitter producing a beam of light which is precise in passing over the top of the table surface. And here is our Microgage receiver, which picks up the light, and as the receiver is moved, it is recording the position of the light as it enters the receiver housing. So as this receiver moves over the table and along the rail, it's tracking the motion relative to the laser beam. So let's get started here. Here is our Pinpoint Capture program, and this is set up a simple Excel template for measuring the straightness in the horizontal and the vertical direction. We're using what we call our record helper here, which allows us to use the space bar for recording readings. So why don't we get ourselves going? We're at 18 inches, and we're going to be taking readings every 4 inches. And the first reading we'll take by pressing the space bar, and there we are. Now we move the receiver up 4 inches, take another reading, 4 inches, and take another reading. So in the interest of time, we're skipping over a number of these readings, but you can see the end results. Each reading is being recorded as we go. And there we are. And what we're showing here is we have a number of readings. The red trace shows the profile of the table in the vertical axis. The blue trace shows the profile of the side rail, and these are in thousandths of an inch. So the total scale is between plus and minus about 6 thousandths to minus 4 thousandths. So we have about a 10 thousandths corrected deviation. And then one of the things about using your spreadsheet is that you can go down and create a block of statistics as we've done here. So it shows peak to peak error and high and low readings. Again, very, very versatile for your different applications. Pinpoint Capture also has the ability to manual record readings or to auto trigger. The manual is very simple. You click on the manual button. There's a file name here which your readings go into as lines of text. You can put a note down here. In this case we've got machine axis number 1, and when you're ready to take your readings you just hit the save button, and each time you hit save the reading will be recorded. So if we hit save, there we are. We're just recording those readings, and that's all there is to it. The other option is auto logging, and in this case You have a file up here which the readings go into as a text file. You can set your time interval. We have a 1 second time interval. We can type our note in here. Machine axis number 1. And when we're ready, we hit start. And now the readings are being recorded every 1 second into a text file. And when you're finished, you just hit stop. And that's all there is to auto-load. If you would like more information, please call or email one of our application engineers, and they will be happy to provide you with more information on how Pinpoint Laser Systems can help with your alignment needs.